Ever watched a video and questioned its authenticity? Brace yourself for the mind-bending world of deepfake technology, a world where reality blurs and imagination takes flight. Deepfakes, the brainchild of machine learning, craft synthetic videos so realistic, they challenge the very essence of truth. These aren't just any videos, they're meticulously engineered illusions, reshaping events, statements, and actions into a mesmerizing digital dance. Dive into this captivating universe where pixels dance with deceit as AI breathes life into fabricated realities. From altering faces to rewriting history, the possibilities are as boundless as the imagination. Join us as we unravel the mystery behind the magic, where technology dances on the edge of a double-edged sword. Unlocking the potential of deepfake technology. Number 1. Accessibility. Imagine a world where technology isn't just a tool but a companion, one that listens, observes, and even understands. Introducing Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, where the lines between real and artificial blur into a seamless fusion of possibility. AI-generated synthetic media, the wizardry of tomorrow, isn't just about entertainment or deception. It's about empowerment. Think about it. Imagine having tools tailored to your needs, not just functional, but intuitive, adaptable, and uniquely yours. That's the promise of deepfake technology in its positive guise. By harnessing the prowess of AI, we're not just making accessibility tools smarter, we're revolutionizing them. No longer are they confined to the realms of the elite or the privileged. They're for everyone, accessible, affordable, and oh so personalized. So, picture a world where barriers crumble, where solutions aren't just within reach, but within understanding. That's the amazing potential of deepfake technology at its finest. Number 2. Education. Imagine a classroom where history transcends the confines of textbooks and leaps into vibrant life. Deepfake technology, often portrayed as a double-edged sword, reveals a shimmering edge as it transforms traditional lessons into captivating experiences. No longer confined to static imagery, educators wield the magic of AI-generated synthetic media to resurrect historical figures. Picture the awe in students' eyes as they witness vivid reenactments or hear the resonant voice of a long-gone luminary echoing through time. These immersive encounters don't just captivate, they ignite curiosity and deepen understanding, fostering a learning environment where engagement thrives. But the wonders of deepfakes extend beyond mere spectacle. With scalability and affordability on its side, synthetic voice and video pave new avenues for success in education. By harnessing these tools, educators can tailor learning experiences with precision, enhancing outcomes and nurturing a generation of eager minds poised to shape the future. Number 3. Art. Deepfake technology, often perceived as a double-edged sword, unfurls its creative potential within the realm of art. It emerges as a democratizing force, dismantling the financial barriers of VFX technology and empowering independent storytellers to weave their narratives at a fraction of the traditional cost. Deepfakes seamlessly breathe life into the essence of comedy and parody. Picture a vivid portrayal, a distortion, and a playful appropriation of real events, all made possible by the magic of artificial intelligence-generated synthetic media. As the curtains rise, opportunities within the entertainment industry unfold, with a surge of independent creators and YouTubers seizing the transformative potential. Behold the intersection of deepfakes and the gaming universe, where AI-generated graphics and imagery accelerate the pace of game development. Witness NVIDIA's groundbreaking hybrid gaming environment, sculpted by the artistry of deepfakes, set to dazzle the gaming community soon. In audio storytelling and narration, synthetic voices emerge as a symphony of possibilities. Imagine an author's book coming to life through a bespoke synthetic voice font, adding a unique auditory dimension to literary creations. Businesses too find a global resonance by utilizing synthetic voiceovers, employing the same actor in various languages to broaden the reach of their content. Number 4. Autonomy and expression. In the domain of human rights and journalism, synthetic media emerges as a formidable ally, offering a cloak of anonymity to those challenging oppressive regimes. Brave citizen journalists leverage technology to shed light on atrocities, either through traditional or social media platforms. The transformative potential of deepfake extends to safeguarding privacy by concealing identities through voice and facial masking. Beyond activism, deepfake technology becomes a canvas for individual self-expression online. Avatars, personalized and crafted through the lens of deepfake, empower individuals to convey their purpose, ideas, and beliefs. This digital avenue proves especially poignant for those with physical or mental disabilities, offering a unique platform for authentic expression. Number 5. Amplification of the message and its reach. Text-to-speech models enable podcasters to seamlessly convert text into synthetic audio with minimal errors, complemented by the familiar tone of the podcaster's voice font. Deepfake takes center stage in the world of influencers, serving as a dynamic tool to broaden their reach and captivate a larger audience. The synergy of AI-generated deepfakes and digital models ushers in a new era in fashion and brand marketing, creating a personalized and targeted approach for a diverse customer base. With the blessing of influencers and celebrities, AI Foundation pioneers personal AI development. This groundbreaking venture not only amplifies engagement, but also forges deeper connections with fans. Number 6. Digital reconstruction and public safety. Peering into the heart of crime scenes is like unraveling a complex puzzle, blending the finesse of art with the precision of science. The AI-generated synthetic media is a groundbreaking tool that aids investigators in piecing together the shards of evidence scattered across digital landscapes. A dedicated team of sleuths, armed with cell phone footage, autopsy reports, and surveillance tapes, can reconstruct virtual crime scenes with meticulous attention to detail. The fusion of technology and investigative acumen unveils new dimensions in unraveling mysteries and ensuring justice. Number 7. Innovation. Data and AI are the power duo fueling digital transformations and automation. Deepfake, not to be left behind, emerges as a captivating tool to captivate audiences and add value. Reuters flaunts an AI-generated deepfake, presenter-led sports news summary system, making news personal and engaging. Deepfakes become the glam squad in the fashion retail industry. Customers step into a virtual runway, trying on the latest trends without changing out of their pajamas. Faces, bodies, and even micro-mannerisms become ingredients for an exciting app, transforming users into virtual fashion models. Data Grid is a Japanese AI firm, painting a future where artificial intelligence effortlessly births virtual models for advertising and fashion. Brands leap into the world of virtual trial rooms, allowing users to experiment with products before hitting the purchase button. Home becomes a playground as retailers conjure mixed reality worlds powered by AI, where customers can virtually decorate their spaces and try on furniture. Low-resolution images find redemption through AI, undergoing deepfake enhancement techniques. Old media gets a facelift, thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence refining and elevating their resolution. Dangerous applications of deepfake technology. Let's explore the sinister side of deepfake technology, where reality gets distorted and the unimaginable becomes a haunting possibility. Number 1. Corporate-level fraud. Gone are the days of traditional email scams. Now, malevolent actors orchestrate elaborate schemes using deepfake technology. Picture a scenario where a phone call from someone mimicking the CFO or CEO convinces an unsuspecting employee to transfer funds, all without ever suspecting foul play. Number 2. Extorting money from businesses or individuals. Imagine a world where faces and voices are mere puppets in the hands of deceivers. With deepfake manipulation, individuals can be portrayed making fabricated statements, with CEOs becoming unwitting stars of fraudulent announcements. And the threat doesn't end there. Extortionists hold companies hostage by wielding these fabricated videos as leverage, dangling the prospect of media exposure or social media humiliation over their heads. Number 3. False information. Fabricating tales to manipulate perceptions and stir chaos isn't a modern invention. It's a timeless tactic. Throughout history, falsehoods have been cunningly woven to unsettle societies, disrupt harmony, and sway opinions. Today, this deceptive tradition persists, manifesting in fake news that seeks to distort reality and breed uncertainty. Whether it's through fabricated videos of genuine events or manipulated portrayals of individuals, the realm of misinformation aims to cast shadows of doubt over truth and authenticity. Number 4. Fake videos. Ever seen that video where a Thai actor takes on the role of President Trump? Yep, that's deepfake wizardry at work. It made waves on social media, turning heads and raising eyebrows. And it doesn't stop there. Imagine a world where actors play the roles of politicians and the real ones deny their own words. As we wrap up our exploration of deepfake's double-edged sword, the question remains, will we wield this sword as a force for good, transforming industries and sparking creativity, or will we succumb to its darker temptations? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our next thrilling adventure.